In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage your appointment types in Acuity Scheduling. Acuity Scheduling is a powerful tool that helps streamline the process of scheduling appointments, making life a little bit easier for both businesses and clients. Whether you're setting up a new type of appointment or tweaking one you already have, I'm here to guide you through the process. First, let's get started by logging into your Acuity Scheduling account. Once you're logged in, you'll be able to access all the features that Acuity offers. When you're on the main dashboard, the goal here is to navigate to the Appointment Types panel. This is where you'll manage your different services, their durations, pricing, and any other details you want to customize for your clients. Now that you've made it to the Appointment Types panel, you might be looking to add a brand new type of appointment, or perhaps you want to make some changes to one that already exists. If you're aiming to create a new service, look for the option labeled New Type of Service. Give this button a click and you'll be on your way to setting up everything from scratch. However, if your intention is to edit a current appointment type, simply click on the appointment type you wish to modify. This is especially useful if you're looking to update something minor or major about an existing service. Once you're in the settings for the appointment type, you'll want to set the duration of your appointments. This is a critical step because the length of an appointment can affect scheduling, availability, and even the perception of the service itself. In the settings, find the field that says Duration. Here, you'll enter how long you want each appointment to last. You have the flexibility to type it in a format that makes sense to you, whether it's 1 hour or 30 minutes. This will help ensure your clients know exactly how much time to expect for their service. The final step in this process is simple but crucial. Don't forget to save your changes. After you've entered all the necessary details, look for the Save button. Clicking this will ensure that everything you've set up or modified is securely stored and ready for use. Saving confirms that your new or updated appointment type is available for clients to book. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to managing appointment types in Acuity Scheduling. With these steps, you can seamlessly create or adjust your appointment types, ensuring that your scheduling system remains as efficient and user-friendly as possible. Thank you for joining me today, and feel free to check out more of our videos for additional tips and tricks on using Acuity Scheduling to its fullest potential.